I'm at a crossroads again. Burned up some wires on the Monte Carlo. I don't know if I told y'all that or not. On the exhaust. And now I'm going to go ahead and change those wires along with the manifolds. We're getting rid of the headers. We got the Shorty S10 headers on it right now. But I got to go ahead and take those off because since I'm going turbo, I'm not going to need them, right? So I'm going to put the hooker manifolds off of the Regal on here. I got a new turbo kit for the Regal. I'll put that on the Regal. We'll see how that works out. Y'all stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy D Brooks coming with another video. Today we are in the house garage, man. We're getting back at it on the Regal. Change of plans again, man. The Regal can never stay on plan, can never stay on track, but it's a good change. It's a good change. I got hold on, y'all. I'm gonna flip the Regal. Camera. Yeah. You remember this LS swap? This was the first one we did. See these? These are oil lines. You know what these are for? Why is there two of them? Why is there two of them? Because we're doing two turbos. Not on one car though. We're doing one turbo on one car, one turbo on the other car. So as we mosey on down, you see there's the header panel for the Regal in the ugly stages. We're gonna do turbo on this too. So you guys know about the Monte Carlo LS. I actually haven't even introduced you guys. Well, maybe by now I have introduced you guys to the Monte Carlo SS. I picked this up. Video should be out now. You know, going to pick it up and different things like that. But that's that. So here we are, guys. We got the Regal, the Beagle Regal, the conduit money build, aka my first G-body. I'm gonna be pulling this bad boy back off. This will be going into that car. The new turbo setup that I have will be going into the Regal. And yeah, we're just gonna do it like that. You guys know what it is. I'll probably put it in the text. But anyways, I'm gonna get busy on this. I'll catch y'all back on in a minute. Unboxing. I'm gonna do an unboxing on a turbo kit I just picked up from eBay. Now, this is probably one of the most inexpensive turbo kits for the LS that I found. It's got like the whole hot side on it complete, you know, all the way from the wastegate, all the way down to the crossover pipe. So I'm interested in seeing what it actually looks like. So y'all stay tuned. Let's check it out. All right, guys, this was a $250 turbo kit. So my expectations are that it's gonna be complete, but I don't know what the quality is gonna be like. So let's check it out real quick. All right, let's see what it looks like. All right, guys, so looks like we got, this is the driver's side. So this is what's gonna go down to the driver's side. This is the actual passenger side. This is T4. Okay, so it actually is sealed up. So you got the T4 flange, wastegate, and the actual log and the runners. Let's see if we can, because this is the part everyone was like, oh, the wastegate's in a bad place. The wastegate's in a bad place. Here, hold this. Okay. This is the part where everyone was like, oh no, the wastegate's in a bad place or whatever. So we're gonna take a look at it. I think it's okay though. All right, let's take a look at these welds. So these welds, they look pretty good, don't they? They look pretty good. Insides, there's like, they even put a little bracket on here. That's pretty cool. So that this wouldn't be weak. Look like they put this on like some type of, you know, situation, right? Let's get that out of there. It's too loud. Got the T4 flange. See, I'm gonna put this on my Regal, and then let's see here. It comes with a couple gaskets. These are just generic gaskets. You got me in the camera. You can like get me and the stuff in the camera. Mm-hmm. These are you know, just generic gaskets with some bolts, some hardware. I'm guessing for the crossover. Interesting because just see how it goes. You might have to do some cutting on it, it looks like. Let's see. Got this. Okay, so these are gonna go together, right? At some point, these are gonna go together. So you're gonna have to either get like some type of coupler, but honestly, the welds and everything, they look pretty good. The stainless appears to be nice. And that's it, you know. That's all of it. So only thing I will say is they don't give you much hardware. You get 3 bolts for this, right? This is going to go underneath your trans. You know, it's just going to mold it to your head right there. Go underneath the car, come back out, and somehow, some way, this is how it's going to bolt together.